everyone. My roll number is 1995 19180 Kaushik, third year CSCD. The topic is data warehousing and data mining. Data pre-processing techniques in regional emission as load profile case. Here is the introduction. The right to inhale clean air in our growing cities has become a central global priority. Air pollution is one of the biggest threats to our air quality. Combustion of fossil fuel create air pollution. The main pollutants come from fossil fuels combustion is transportation, heat production, and power production. Air quality can be improved by improving energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption, and or changing the energy systems to non-polluting energy resources. We focus on using the near real-time information of energy consumption as a tool for increasing energy efficiency and developing emission load profiles. In practice, the data preparation known as data pre-processing is the key to successful modeling. Depending on the existing data collection, a pre-processing process that consists of various tasks may be required. The raw data or data set usually need pre-processing due to noise, ambiguity, redundancy, incompleteness, and inconsistent data. In some complex cases, data pre-processing is unavoidable. The components problem in data pre-processing are caused by missing values, data correction, or outliners. Data pre-processing is considered as one of the most important steps in data mining. It will convert the data into a clean and tidy data set for the larger mining step or statistical analysis. In statistical analysis, the four common tasks in data pre-processing are cleaning, transformation, integration, and reduction, with the aim to assess and improve data quality or for reliable statistic analysis. Cleaning, transformation, integration, and reduction are the common techniques of data pre-processing in statistical analysis. Here we can see the table of the task, problem, or issue solution technique. Here the tasks are cleaning, transformation, integration, reduction. And here we can see the issue or problem or issue and the technique for the problem. Data pre-processing is part of our goal to reproduce an emission load profile at the regional or city level. The generic framework starts by the data collection phase, followed by the data pre-processing phase, the modeling phase, and the data clustering phase. The nature of different data sets in the data collection may vary. For efficiency, we evaluate the input data with the aim of identifying the data that have significant influence on our goal to produce the emission load profile at the regional or city level. In this case, we select the city of Sosnowiec in Poland as a case study. The nature of collected data is a panel data set which is cross-sectional data sample at the specific point in time. Thus, our data collection should consist of a temperature of a national gas as a national electricity as an emission area dataset. Furthermore, it is also essential to define the specific modeling period not to balance all input data. It presents the technique that are applied in each dataset in preparing the desired data for modeling phase. We tend to perform the data pre-processing of moderate problems in small amount of data such as variables, reduction, sum extraction, and small amount of data scaling in a spreadsheet application. Whereas the more complex and big data size tasks such as selection, filtering, and complex calculation we can execute in Python programming language. First one, the temperature. The temperature data set of case study is retrieved from a commercial weather service company. The raw data are available in 365 comma separated values file extension, where each day represents one CSV file. It is clear that we have to integrate the 360 files into a single data set. We have applied the solution via command prompt, where it copies all the records from 360 files into a single file .txt file. Then we import the txt file into Microsoft Excel. In this case, we applied the transformation technique. Second one, natural gas consumption pattern. We obtain the natural gas consumption pattern from Eurostat Energy Database. The file is available in tab delimited file extension. We then extract the file and open it in spreadsheet to visualize the monthly gas consumption profile in the selected year. It is more efficient to do filtering than reduction since the file contains all EU countries dataset in 10 recent years. National Electricity Consumption Load. The National Electricity Consumption Load dataset is available in CSV file from Open Power System Data. The source of load value is retrieved from ENTSO-E data portal and power statistics. ENTSO-E is the European Network of Transmission System Operators. Reduce the coordinated universal time variable and keep the timestamp of Central European time set variable. We have to also reduce the interpolated values failed for efficiency purpose. Then perform the unit transformation to develop the regional energy load profile. Finally, our dataset is ready to be used in the emission load profile and modeling phase. Residential emission area. The emission area dataset is available in CSV file from our city partner. The dataset consists of 8 variables. Here, city zone, code variable, name variable, pollutant emissions, and unit and 396 observations. First, we reduce some following unnecessary variable. Here, city zone. Furthermore, we filter and select the observation based on energy sector categories, name variable, residential or commercial. Lastly, quantify the total emissions value in residential and commercial sectors per pollutant categories NX and PM10. The following table has been selected as per pre-processing techniques that we have applied in each our dataset. Conclusion: understanding the nature of data collection is important for data pre-processing efficiency. We can decide the ideal technique to be used in this process. It is also fundamental to understand the process of data flow comprehensively. The modern data pre-processing problems are some small data size problems can simply be executed in spreadsheet application, while the more complex and big data problems may require programming language. Based on that, we may categorize the variable reduction, some of the kind abstraction, small amount of data scaling, and simple calculation as moderate tasks. Selection, filtering, and complex calculation in data or complicated raw data structure should be categorized as complex. Thank you.